turnaround projects are complex, difficult to schedule, and rely on many stakeholders working together to ensure no delays, safety incidents, or loss of production. These projects are happening in remote locations where tolerances are tight, site access is restrictive, and every minute is planned. There is no room for error. VEERUM has been helping its clients remotely manage their complex assets by building data-rich digital twins for projects and operations for over 10 years. Now, VEERUM has enabled its clients to effectively plan, schedule, and execute turnaround projects by using its powerful cloud-hosted tool using a suite of new features. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to get started. Here's an example of a 3D reality model that would be used by planners to understand current site conditions. We can zoom out to see the entire site, including roads and access points, and zoom in to see individual components, including piping, electrical, and pumps. We can make digitally verified measurements to confirm access, fitment, and requirements. We can also toggle between the reality model and 360 panoramic photos for a photorealistic view. This model is accessible to the entire turnaround team via a web browser or tablet, providing remote access to planners, contractors, owners, and anyone else who needs to view the current site status. Furthermore, we can connect any information to the site, equipment, or components with objects. This can stream your Maximo, SAP, Primavera P6, or any other asset information you need to make decisions directly to the geolocation in question. This means that users can get a visual context to any tasks associated with the turnaround project. By contextualizing turnaround planning using this visualization, planners can unlock a multitude of use cases. For example, we can visualize all work notifications, including the P6 schedule. Here, we can see a SIMOPS issue where MN005 and PN007 are scheduled to be completed on the same day and could impact the on-site teams when being executed. This is an invaluable tool for stakeholders who may not be able to visit the site before the project begins and can familiarize themselves with the asset before arriving on site. We can also isolate systems to understand what will be impacted by any system interruptions. For example, we can trace out this network of piping that is being depressurized to see what other equipment will be impacted when repairing this section of pipe. This can also help prioritize other tasks that might need this system turned off. Also new in VEERUM is the ability to virtually place equipment on site. With a library of your available equipment imported into your work scope, you can drag and drop equipment like scaffolding and cranes where they need to be installed. We can move these models around based on the schedule to effectively plan and communicate the placement of this equipment. For example, this crane needs to be placed on site, and we can visually check for access, reach, and egress. We can also associate a date with these objects so the entire team knows when the equipment will be installed and removed. We are proud to be a part of this digital ecosystem enabling asset owners around the world to revolutionize how they're managing their operating assets. VEERUM has already helped clients deliver turnaround projects on time, identifying issues that would have resulted in days of lost production and millions of dollars of revenue. Give your team the tools they need to plan turnaround projects from anywhere in the world and make data-informed decisions with a total understanding of current site conditions. VEERUM can be up and running with your existing data within weeks. Contact us today and deliver your next turnaround project with visual confidence. Visit VEERUM.com/digitaltwin for shutdown turnarounds to learn more.